Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the app. Open WhatsApp and go straight to the muted conversation. Once there, tap the contact or group name to open info and confirm it's muted. That's the first actionable check. Make sure to also open WhatsApp settings and choose notifications to see if global message sounds are off. Doing both prevents wasting time toggling the wrong control. Once you confirm where the mute is applied, you'll know exactly which control to change next. Now unmute the chat. In Contact or Group Info, choose Unmute Notifications and set it to Forever or a preferred duration. Once unmuted, open Notifications, right arrow Custom Notifications, and pick a message or group tone so alerts are audible. This ensures WhatsApp level sounds are configured. On Android, make sure the specific notification channel for chats is enabled in System Settings. On iPhone, verify alerts are allowed in-app. These steps fix both the mute flag and the sound assignment, so alerts will actually play. To finish, confirm system-level notifications are allowed. Go to Phone Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow WhatsApp, and enable notifications. Once done, restart the app, and, if needed, restart the device to apply changes. Make sure WhatsApp is updated. If you still don't hear alerts, check Do Not Disturb and the app's notification channel settings. Clear cache on Android or reinstall as a last resort. Key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.